From time to time, we all run into the same frustrating problem with AI tools. 1 minute they're free, the next minute, boom, paywall. Tools like Grok suddenly limit access, features disappear, and you're left wondering if free AI is even real anymore. And it's not just one tool, it's almost all of them. You discover something powerful, you start relying on it, maybe even building content or making money with it. Then out of nowhere, upgrade to premium, buy credits, or unlock pro features. And the worst part? It always happens right when you need it the most. So now you're stuck. Either you pay, or you go back to searching for another free alternative that probably won't last long either. At this point, it feels like the whole idea of free AI is just bait. But here's the truth most people don't realize. There are still some insanely powerful AI tools out there that are completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden payments, no daily limits that actually slow you down. The problem is, they're not easy to find, and even when people hear about them, they still don't know how to actually access them the right way. Welcome back to Spark AI, where I give you the very best AI tools that are completely free. Now listen closely, because this part is where it gets really interesting. There are 2 AI tools that came out recently, and right now, they're dominating the AI space. I'm talking about tools that are fast, powerful, and in some cases, even outperform paid tools. People are quietly using them to create content, automate work, and even make money online. And yes, they are completely free. But here's the catch. You can't just go to Google, sign up, and expect full access like normal. That's exactly where most people get it wrong, because there's actually a specific method, a kind of hidden approach that only a few people are using to unlock everything these tools offer. Miss that step, and you'll think the tools are limited. Get it right, and you basically have access to premium-level AI for free. So in this video, I'm not just showing you the tools, I'm showing you the exact way to access them, use them, and get the most out of them without spending a single dime. Make sure you watch till end. I will be talking on 2 free tools today. First one is Gemini Gen AI. This is a new platform and is known to support Grok, Sedance 2.0, etc. First off, there is a special offer for unlimited video generation for $15, but that's not why we are here. On the top right, there is login and sign up. We click on sign up and register with Google. We verify CAPTCHA and then sign in. As we can see on the top right is 10 credits. And guess what? It doesn't reduce, meaning you can generate as many videos as possible. Here we have a list of free video generation providers like Veo, which is completely free, Grok, also free, Meta AI, and Kling. I'm not really going to change any settings because it's basically on how we want it. So then we type in a simple prompt. A lady sitting across the table from a man holding flowers. Then we hit generate and verify that we are humans. As you can see below, for absolutely free. Sometimes on this platform, your outcome tends to take time during generation. So what you do is go to your history and you'll see it there.
These are for you.
Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you.
I'm glad you like them.
I love them.
And as you can see, credits didn't drop because generations were free. Moving into the next tool, we have Digen AI. This one is pretty much simple and easy to use. First step is sign up or log in, which is the usual. We use Google to log in. You can see at the top free 0 credit. But this is actually because the generation of AI images or videos are unlimited. Now we logged in. We just go straight up to the point and input prompt. Yes, it's that easy. For example, a dog riding a donkey. Hit generate. As we wait for it to generate, let's hit the like and subscribe button. I try every day to find the free and available AI video generator. See how clean the result is? Thanks for watching. I have other videos with AI tools that are completely free. Do well to subscribe.